Hello lovelies! Today I'm so excited to share a cute new palette with you. This is the Tintark Cosmetics Cloudy with a Chance of Sprinkles palette. It is so cute. This was actually a Christmas gift for me this year and I'm so excited just to pull it out and just to create a look instantly with you and to share this with you. It comes in a really cute packaging. It's got a little sleeve and then the actual palette has the same packaging. It is super cute and it's even cuter on the inside. It has such beautiful vibrant colors and I'm so excited to show you this tutorial that you can create a beautiful colorful look with this color story. So come along with me and let's make up the rules. I am so excited to use this new palette, so let's go ahead and dive into these beautiful colors. This has an amazing color story. It is absolutely just such bright colors. They just scream sprinkles and just cupcakes and ice cream and all kinds of just sweet treats. And so this is such a beautiful palette. And I wish I could use all the colors, but I'm going to use just a few of them today and just dive in and just start to try to use these colors. So I'm going to start out on the outer edge of my eye and I'm going to start with some blue and then I'm going to move into pink and do a little bit of a blend. So I'm going to start dark and kind of make a smoky eye on the outer edge of my eye and kind of lighten it as we go out, and then we'll move into the pink on the inner part of the eye. So I'm going to be using this color, this one, and this one just to start out dark and then lighten as we go out. So I'm going to start right here on our darkest color and go ahead and just add that on the outer corner. I'm going to be using an eyeshadow brush from Glamierre, and so this is a really cool fun brush. It's got some little glitter inside of the brush. It's super cute. This is my first time using it and I'm going to go ahead and try that with this color right here and just grab some on my brush and put that into the outer corner. So that is a beautiful blue color. I'm so excited to put this on. So I'm just going to tap this in right here on the outer corner. Wow, that is pretty. It is so pigmented and beautiful. It's so soft and light, it goes on perfectly. I'm going to come up just a little bit into my crease. Oh, that is so pretty. Just lightly packing it into the outer corner. That is beautiful. That is such a beautiful color. Pack on just a little bit more right here because we want a nice dark smoky eye. Oh, that is lovely. And so now I'm going to jump into using a blending brush. This is also from Glamierre, and I'm going to go ahead and use this with our next blue shade, and I'm going to use this right on the top just to start to blend in that darker color. So I'm going to grab some of this on my brush. I'm going to come right up here and just start to blend this in. Wow, that is such a beautiful, beautiful color. Alright, and so as we're moving up closer to our brow bone, we're going to use our lightest color, our lightest blue. That's one down here. I'm going to use that same brush and just grab some of this and continue just to blend all of these together. That is such a beautiful color, and I'm actually going to go back to my eyeshadow brush and I'm going to grab a little bit more of that darkest blue and really make sure that it's packed into the outer corner and nice and bright and distinct. Just blend that into those two lighter blues as well. That is beautiful. It is so pretty. And I'm actually going to use the end of this eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go ahead and pull some of that darker blue down into our lower eyelid. And I'm making sure I pull it up into the blue on the outer corner just so that everything goes together and it's all connected. Alright, so we've got our base of blue. Now we're going to go ahead and start adding some pink and blending that in together as we get closer to our inner eye. So now that we have our blue on the outer corner, we're going to go ahead and use some pink on the inner corner. And so I'm going to be using that same eyeshadow brush that I was using already. I've gone ahead and cleaned it off, and we're going to start moving into these beautiful shades of pink. I'm actually going to start over here with this lighter color just to start giving us a base to work on, and then I'm going to go into this one and probably this one as well just to give it a nice deep dark pink color to blend into that blue. So I'm going to grab this one over here just on the end of my eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to put this all over the inner corner of my eye, on my eyelid and everything, just to give us that nice base to work with. So I'm just going to put this right here. It's a very light color, but it's gonna just help everything to blend together, give us a nice foundation. And blend it right here into the blue. Just to really help smooth everything out on our eyelids and give us a nice blended look. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and start deepening that pink, and I'm gonna use this one right here. This is a beautiful color. I'm really excited to use this one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start to put this all over my eyelid, just like I did with that other color. Just building up this pink, darkening everything out, and making it a nice, vibrant color. Oh, that looks so pretty with the blue. I'm just using my brush and just patting it all in, making sure everything is blended as I'm meeting my two colors together. Going up into my crease and on my eyelid. That pink and blue looks so pretty together. It just captures the sprinkles from this collection so well. It's just such a pretty combination. Colors go together great. Alright, so we've got that lighter pink. Now we're going to go ahead and go into this darker pink up here. It's more of a hot pink color. Using that same brush, we want everything to be blended together. So I'm going to just grab some of this on my brush, and I'm going to put this more in the center of my eye, so that way we've got a lighter pink moving into the darker as we're getting closer to the blue. So I'm just going to be tapping this more into the center area here, utilizing that pink that we put before, blending it together, so we've got a really nice dark pink that really pops on our eyelid. Just using soft, gentle motions, blending everything together. Just keeping this darker pink right in the center of our eye, so we've got that nice light pink in the corner, giving us a nice inner glow. And we're going to use some glitter to help to kind of make everything flow and blend together as well. We're going to put some on top of our eyeshadow that we've already done. So I'm going to use a few different glitters on top of the matte eyeshadows that we've already put on, just to help everything to really tie together and to shine. These are just such beautiful colors, and we really want to make them pop. So I'm going to use a few different glitters. I'm going to use this one right here to start out on the inner corner, and then we're going to move over into this darker pink glitter as well as we're filling in this pink area. So I'm just going to grab some on my finger, and I'm going to go ahead and put this right here on this lighter pink on the inner corner, and just lightly tapping it with my finger onto that pink matte. Oh wow, look at that, that's pretty. Oh, that is beautiful. And do the same thing on the other side. Just keeping it over on that lighter pink, and then we're going to use the darker pink glitter on the center of the eye. That is so pretty, it catches the light beautifully. Alright, so now I'm going to use this darker pink here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the center using my finger as well. Just tapping it right on top. And I'm gonna make sure that as I'm putting this on, I'm gonna be blending my glitters together so that everything looks really blended and nice together and that it's not giving any harsh or stark lines. And just keeping this right here on the pink, we're gonna use some blue glitter on the blue matte. That is so pretty. So now we've got our pink glitter, we're gonna go ahead and move into the blue glitters. So I'm gonna grab this one right here, this lighter one, and then we're gonna move into the darker one as well, just really layering things and making everything shine. So grabbing some of this lighter one here on my finger. I'm gonna go ahead, oh wow, that is pretty. It's very icy and blue, that's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and start layering this on top of our blue shade over here on the outer edge. Just continuing to layer up into the crease and on the eyelid, just putting this right on top of our mats, making everything just absolutely shine. That is so beautiful. And same thing on the other side, just tapping it in with my finger, making sure to blend it in nicely with those pink shades as well. I love where the pink and the blue meet. It kind of made it more purple, so we've got a nice rainbow of colors. That is so pretty. All right, and then I'm gonna grab this darker blue and I'm just gonna put that right here on the edge just to finish up our gradient of sparkles. Not too much, just right here on the edge. Making sure that I blend it in with that lighter blue. That is so pretty. That just looks like cotton candy. It is so beautiful. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add a few more finishing touches and then we'll add some eyeliner and this will complete our beautiful look. I would like to add just a little bit more dimension to our lower lash line, and so I'm gonna go back into some of these lighter blues that we used earlier using just a small detailed brush just to lighten things up, especially as we get closer to the inner corner. So I'm gonna grab some of this lightest blue shade down here with my detailed brush, and I'm just gonna go right in here along the lower lash line and just really help to lighten things up because that blue that we put earlier was pretty dark. Just really tie our blues together, make everything pop and shine on our makeup look. That is really pretty, and I'm also going to grab just a little bit of this medium blue shade and I'm going to use that same brush and just add a little bit of that into the center of our lower lash line just to help lighten things up as we go across our eyes. There we go, that's much more blended and really, really pretty. So now I want to add just a little bit of a glow into the inner corner. So I'm actually going to grab this, this light yellowish color right here. It's a nice, beautiful goldish shimmer. So we're going to go ahead and put that on the inner corner just to help everything to pop in the middle. So again, I'm just going to use my finger and grab some of this color, and I'm just going to dab it right here in the middle and blend it up into the pink and down into the lower lash line. That is really pretty. That is a great pop of color right in the middle on the inner corner. Make sure everything is blended, pulling it down into my lower lash line just a little bit, helping it to blend in with that blue and up into the pink. This is such a pretty look. I am absolutely in love with this palette. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few finishing touches, some mascara and eyeliner, and then I'll be back in just a minute and we'll look at the final look and I'll share some of my thoughts about this palette as well. I decided to go ahead and add a cat eye to this look just to give it a nice bold eyeliner. And so for this I used the Ulta Beauty Classic Felt Tip Liner. This is in black. And then in my waterline on the bottom, I went ahead and used another Ulta Beauty eyeliner. This is an automatic eyeliner in the shade Matte Powder Pink. This is a nice, beautiful light pink. It ties in the pink from our eyeshadow and also helps us to lighten the lower lid just because we do have a lot of that dark blue. And for the mascara, I went ahead and used the Ulta Beauty Collection Twisted Volume Maximum Performance Mascara. This is in the shade Jet Black, and I have it turned to setting 4. And then on my lips, I went ahead and lined with a Ulta Beauty Automatic Lip Liner. This is in the shade Chocolate, just this nice dark color. And then I went in with the lipstick from Ulta Beauty. This is 312 in the shade Fuchsia. It's a beautiful pink color. And then just to help to tie in with the glitter on the eyeshadow, bring the whole look together, I went ahead and topped that off with some lip gloss from the Alice in Wonderland collection from Wet n Wild. I am so happy with how this look turned out. Such a great time creating this look with you today, and I just wanted to share a few of my thoughts about this palette just since this was my first time using it and actually my first time ever using Tintark Cosmetics product. And I just want to say I really enjoyed this product a lot. I thought this was a great palette, an absolute wonderful introduction to this brand. This is a beautiful palette. These colors are just absolutely amazing. I will say from the look that I created today, the only color I didn't really care for was this one down here, just because it was really light. I didn't feel like it really showed up when I used it, but all of the other colors are so bright and vibrant. They definitely make up for it. And I really enjoyed using the ones that I did today, and I'm looking forward to using the other colors in the future. I really enjoyed the mattes. They blended together perfectly. The shimmer shades were a little bit on the lighter side. They just provide just a little bit of a hint of a glow and a little bit of a shimmer. They don't have a whole lot of glitter in them, but I think that's great if you just want a nice light glow to your look, and I think they really packed on well on top of the matte, and I'm looking forward to trying them just on their own and see how they stand as well. And I'm really looking forward to using these two shades here, and they are meant to look like sprinkles in our Cloudy with a Chance of Sprinkles collection, and I'm gonna have to mix them up and create the eyeshadows and then be able to try those out as well. This collection does have a great mirror included. I was able to use that while I put on my eyeliner. It's a great mirror, so it goes well with this palette, and you can do this anywhere on the go. So I thought overall this was a great palette. I'm looking forward to using it again, and I'll definitely create some more videos using this palette and utilizing some of our other colors. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really enjoyed getting to create this look with this new palette, and I'm looking forward to making more with you in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more videos with this palette and with others, then please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, let's be kind to each other, beautiful to ourselves, and never afraid to make up the rules.